9 out of 10 drivers have no idea these hidden features even exist inside their own cars. But here's the crazy part. One of these buttons could actually save you thousands in repairs. And chances are, you've been ignoring it this whole time. Before you waste more money on unnecessary fixes, here are 10 hidden car features most drivers still don't know about. Watch till the end, because the last one is honestly genius. Let's begin. Secret number 10. Pull out sun visor extension. You're driving straight into the sunset and the glare is relentless. You flip down the sun visor thinking it'll help, but the rays still sneak around the edge, hitting your eyes from the side. That glare isn't just annoying, it's dangerous, as a moment's distraction can make you miss a hazard on the road. But here's what most drivers overlook. Many cars have a built-in fix called the extendable sun visor. Hidden inside the visor is often a sliding panel. Pull it out and it covers the gap at the side, blocking light that regular visors miss. Car designers knew that traditional visors couldn't handle every angle of sun penetration, especially during sunrise and sunset hours. This sliding extension was their elegant solution, but somehow never made it into most owner manuals. To find it, check the bottom or side edges of your sun visor. The extension is usually tucked inside and can be pulled out smoothly to cover a wider area. This small adjustment makes a big difference. Your eyes stay comfortable, your vision isn't interrupted by flashes of light, and you can focus fully on the road ahead. Before we get to the really mind-blowing stuff, do me a favor, hit that like button. We did a ton of research for this, and it actually helps us keep making content like this. Done! Awesome! Now, let's talk about something hiding under your hood secret. Number 9. The traction control button. You've probably seen that button with a car and squiggly lines behind it. Most people never touch it because they don't even know what it does. That button controls your traction system. Normally, it helps stop your tires from slipping on rain, snow, or gravel by reducing wheel spin automatically. But here's what most drivers never learn. If your car gets stuck in deep mud or snow, traction control can actually make things worse because it cuts engine power when you need it most. Turning it off temporarily can help you escape fast. Just remember to switch it back on afterward. Secret number 8. The fuel cap arrow. Have you ever borrowed a car and forgotten which side the fuel tank is on? Most people still guess, but your dashboard already tells you the answer. Right beside the fuel icon, there's usually a tiny arrow pointing left or right. That arrow shows exactly where the fuel cap is. This feature has existed for decades, yet millions of drivers still don't know about it. Quick pause. If you're learning something new already, hit that like button and subscribe, because these simple car tricks can seriously save you money and stress later. Now let's continue. Secret number 7. Open your windows using the key fob. During summer, your car can feel like an oven, but many modern cars have a hidden feature most owners never discover. Hold the unlock button on your key fob for a few seconds and your windows may automatically roll down. Some cars require pressing unlock twice and holding it. This lets hot air escape before you even step inside, making the cabin much cooler instantly. And the best part? Most people already have this feature and never use it. Secret number 6. The emergency shift lock release. Imagine your battery dies in the middle of traffic and your gear shifter refuses to move. Sounds like a nightmare, right? Well, near your gear shifter, there's usually a tiny hidden cover. Open it, press the button underneath, and you can shift the car into neutral, even with a dead battery. This small emergency feature can literally help move your car out of danger when electronics fail completely. Secret number 5. The rearview mirror night mode. If bright headlights behind you constantly blind your eyes at night, this trick changes everything. Look under your rearview mirror. See that tiny tab? Flip it. That simple movement activates anti-glare mode, reducing harsh reflections from headlights behind you. It makes nighttime driving much safer and far more comfortable. And somehow, thousands of drivers still don't use it. Secret number 4. Hidden storage compartments. Many SUVs and sedans secretly have storage spaces under seats, beneath floor panels, or inside armrests, perfect for emergency cash, tools, documents, or valuables. Some hidden compartments are so well disguised that even longtime owners never notice them. Check under your seats later. You might be shocked by what your car has been hiding this whole time. Secret number 3. Speed sensitive. Volume control. Ever notice your music gets louder automatically when driving faster? That's a hidden feature called speed-sensitive volume control. Your car increases audio volume as road noise grows louder, then lowers it again when you slow down. This means less distraction because you don't constantly adjust the radio while driving. Most drivers think their stereo is acting weird, but it's actually helping them stay focused. Secret number 2. Automatic walkaway locking. This one feels futuristic. Some modern cars automatically lock themselves when you walk away. With the key fob, no double-checking doors, no walking back to the car. No, wait! Did I lock it? Moments. Many cars already have this feature built in. It just needs to be activated in settings. And honestly, once you use it, you'll never want to go back. Before we reveal the number 1 secret, make sure you subscribe, because we post simple car hacks like these every week that can save you hundreds of dollars. Now here's the final one. Secret number 1. The glow-in-the-dark trunk escape handle. This might be the most important hidden feature in your entire car. Inside many trunks, there's a glow-in-the-dark emergency release handle. Pull it, and the trunk opens from the inside instantly. This safety feature became mandatory because real accidents happened where people, especially children, became trapped inside trunks. Most drivers never even check if their car has it, but knowing where it is could one day save a life. So, how many of these did you already know? Comment below which feature surprised you the most, and if this video helped you discover something useful, subscribe for more smart car tips that make driving easier, safer, and cheaper. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.